So what do you think? So what do you think? We're recording. What do you think?
Oh, I think it's nice.
Up there in Matrix, they had their own bakery. Yeah, they worked the farms and they were like on vacation.
Yeah, that's true. Good food to eat. Better than most, a lot of people.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
And 89.
Don't give you that much room, do they?
No.
Make her up there.
Oh, I'm fine. Can you make it?
Probably had to have this catwalk here in case a bomb got jammed or something. Probably the guy, somebody in the plane had to come over here and walk on this catwalk and free it.
That'd be the new guy, right?
Yeah.
You got the short straw.
Yeah, oh yeah, they didn't have very much sophisticated radio back in the day. Walking around this puppy.
You know that? I bet they got it around in here a lot easier than I do.
Radio they probably just say here.
You make it okay? Probably need to go sideways through there.
Huh?
Sideways.
Oh yeah. That them's the bomb doors.
Yeah. You make it? Want to grab on?
Yeah.
Outside they had a glass dome that like a door that dropped down. But imagine just standing here, you know, shells all over the floor. Guys puking their guts out, and guys shot and bleeding. And oh yeah, there's no way to collect them. They just hit the floor and they clean them up and probably send them to be reloaded or something again. There's a lot of brass in those old shells, you know. They got it locked down. They got it wired down.
They got them both wired, yeah.
Yeah,
This is a belly tour.
they're wired down.
That was a bad place to
So
be.
probably
What's that? Down there?
That's a
They
belly
used to
tour,
sit
yeah.
Like in here.
Gunner's tour. Belly.
Yeah.
Pretty exposed there.
Probably get right in here and lean. Put yourself up against here and just fire away at them.
Make sure you don't shoot your own wing. Huh?
And hope that you
Got something, huh?
hope that you hit something down.
Forever want your back coming out of here.
Get it?
I'm gonna try to. I don't want to try and get in there. That's too far.
What's that?
They do shake you up when you fire.
Oh yeah. Want to come down frontwards?
When you fire them things, they shake you up. I'll tell you that.
So this one here
They'll shake me all over.
Okay. See where you are? There you go.
down.
So what'd you think?
I think that's pretty nice.
You want to take flight now?
No.
No?
No. No flight.
So far each way.
No flight.
Wow.
You're right. You're right.
That's where it was in the real world.
Okay. Because I got killed.
Stuff like this.
That's quite a... You want to go through this?
You want to? I think they must think it's going to rain or something. They're covering it up.
I have fired one of these things.
Yeah?
Yeah. Look, I'll get you. Yeah. Well, these things do shake you, I guarantee you. They'll shake your socks off. There's your belts and prayers for church ammo.
Yeah?
Your belts and church ammo with this. What you saw over there fit right in.
Right? Yeah.
And that right there is not the place to be.
Yeah?
That's a belly gunner. That's not the place to be. That's the one. That's the way you got in and out.
Right there.
That was his option.
Now, why would they actually lock? Looks like he's actually locked in there.
Yeah. Oh yeah, he locked him in there. Yeah. Once you got in there, you didn't get out. You didn't ever stay.
Oh, you think the belly gun here? Where's the belly gun? Mom. Come on.
The bomb they carried. This was their bomb they was there.
Yeah, they're getting out of that, isn't
No, there isn't. Mom.
Now these are moving around.
So that guy said if a bomb would hang up, somebody would have to crawl through here.
The release will get rid of them, yeah. They couldn't land with them, They had to dump them before they landed.
He said he's still looking for that guy. Somebody said he wasn't here.
What year were you flying?
1944 and 45. And we were working on
Yeah, I didn't believe it. All I can see is they had a bunch of skinny airmen.
Yeah, they did.
They had some skinny airmen. Everybody was fat fellas crawling around in there.
So how was that?
Oh, that was okay.
It's tight. That was pretty tight, wasn't it?
Yeah, it was tight.
Well, we used to land later on. I flew a helicopter. We used to